this video is about all about how you can learn video editing. So when I have started like YouTube creating a videos and all, I was still discovering like how I edit my videos, because there's lots of videos on the YouTube where I can see just the titles are matching, but inside the video they are just selling the courses and all. That's it, nothing else. And there's nothing, no video which is actually coming to the point how to actually edit the video, how to edit the text, how to add the timeline, how to make the changes, how to add the different level of fonts, how to add a different level of screens and picture ratio. And there's lots of things come to the editing part. And what I decided to learn from myself directly. There's no catch of doing the editing. At least what I can say, the 70% of 80% of the editing you will be learned by this video, and directly you can do by yourself. You don't need to spend up time, and you don't need to spend money on editors, right? So it is, I can't say to it it's too easy, but it is not too much complicated. It's like straightforward. If you just know what you want, you can just going forward straightly. You can just make those changes accordingly to you. Okay. So I'm using Make right now, and I'm going to use iMovie for editing part. And here you will see how much easy you can do editing without any kind of different software. iMovie is just a default software of the Mac, and it is quite easy, quite straightforward, and lots of common features already there. You don't need to worry about any kind of paid software or something else. Okay. So we will going to start how we can edit a video in different way, whatever as per your requirement. How to add the pictures, how to add the text format, how to add the transitions, how to add the picture and picture mode. So you will be understanding the video, and how you can easily edit any kind of video, at least as per your requirement. Okay, so let's see. Okay. So here you can see I have opened my iMovie in the Mac. iMovie is a software, default software, where you can edit your videos, or you can play your videos, and so on. Okay. So just come to the default, by default sections of the iMovie. You can have like different kind of you can import the media, you can import media, your iOS project you can do. You can import the library, you can create a new library, and some default options, by default options are there. And you can even copy paste and just a small things, and there's no complex things you need to worry about here. Okay. And just to view things, you can play from beginning, you play from screen and so on, zoom in, zoom out, those common features are there. Okay. Coming to the main part, how you have to edit your video. So the first thing, before editing, you need to import the media, right? You need to import a media, and then you need to import media into the timeline. Okay. So what is timeline? Timeline is basically stretch out of your video different screens in the multiple ways, so that even you can edit a single screen and you can delete a single screen. Okay. So what I mean the screen in the video is basically the frames, basically you are talking about. So if you want to delete a particular frame, you want to stretch a particular frame to the multiple seconds. If you want to add a different frame inside the single frame, you can do that. Okay. So you can see in the my movie I have imported this medias. Okay, so these medias directly you can import. You can click on the file and you can do the import media, and you can select from here, like you can select from your computer what you want to import. Okay, so I have already imported these medias to demonstrate you how I actually edit my videos. Okay, so first what you have to do, this is my main video. You have to drag and drop, and you have to drag it in your timeline section. Okay, let's see, I have dragged it. Okay, so you can see what is this area in the bottom is timeline. So these things are common, like any kind of tool you're using, there's a main section which is this media options, and there's a timeline section where you actually see your video, how it is performing. Okay, now this is a single video. I want to stretch this to single level frames. Okay, I want to see all the frames. Okay, so that I can edit and add any kind of transition to the particular frames. So divide this particular video into the frames. What I will do, you can see here in the display, you can see some settings over there. These are basically stretching your video to the multiple frames, basically 1 second, 2 second frames, 3 second frames, depends on your video size. It will drag it down. Okay, you can see in the timeline, you can see how many frames it has divided into, and each frame can be of 1 second, 2 second from the larger video, you can see here. Okay, so I will just pick it up, like I want to stretch this to a lower number of frames just to demonstrate you. So you can see here. Okay, the complete video is here. Okay, now play. I started my YouTube channel, and okay, it's all about, this is playing now. Okay, fine. Now I will different like keep this video in different formats. Okay, first thing, before editing, what you want to do, the common thing, you want to split a video, or you want to detach a video, or you want to remove particular sections of the screens from your main video. Okay, what we will do, for suppose you want to remove the section like in this frame and this frame. Okay, so you want, yeah, like you is seeing like this particular area is no longer be needed, you want to detach it. What I will do, and let's see what options we have, like to detaching or like splitting a video. Basically, I will right click on this. Okay, so you can see what options we have. We have the option of cut, copy, delete, split clip, which we needed. Split clip basically split it out from the line that we are drawing. Okay, add freeze frame, detach audio. Detach audio means you want to remove the audio from this particular section, you want to mute itself, and you want to detach a audio from that particular scene. You can do that. Trim to play, add, show clip trimmer, and show speed editor. You can also edit your speed of this particular screen also. These are the so many common features that the editors use to make their video proper. Okay, so split clip works well also when you have created a bigger video and you might be unnecessary part added in the video, you want to delete that part. What you will do, just split clip. See what happened. The split clip part actually divided into the two separate videos. Okay, now this is the second one, this is the first part. Okay, so split clip works also if you want to detach a particular scene, you want to remove the particular scenes, and you want to add a particular scene into it as well. Okay, I have done the split, and let's see what other options we have. Okay, so I will just play all the features in front of you, so you don't have to waste a time on editing part. You will get to know how this feature works internally, and by this and you will get an idea. Yeah, you will be the pro level editor as well. Okay, now we have used the split clip. Okay, now suppose you want to split this clip and you want to delete this clip. What I will do, you can you have the delete option. Okay, cut. I just have deleted the one scene, or half part of the video. Now you can easily export it as well. You can easily save this as well as a main video. Okay, how you will do that, you will have some kind of options you can do, you will have any kind of editing you can also do with here. You can export this particular scene as well. Okay, now coming to the other part. Okay, if you know you have mistakenly deleted the scene, just put the undo, it will come. Nice. Now the second thing, I want to add in this particular scene, I will just play it. Any kind of lifestyle hacks, health hacks. Okay, I want to add image instead of this particular scene, but I want the audio also, sorry. Okay, what I will do, I have this one finance image. Okay, I will just drag it down and just put it above it. Okay, let's see what it will do. Health, any kind of thing you can upload, right? Okay, so the only thing, the first thing is consistency you should do, and do not worry about the views, because my on my you have seen the magic. I just have added the image on the top of scene, and also my audio is coming also. So this kind of too much basic editing people do and surprise you. Yeah, yeah, they are doing something magical, but no, this is just a simple thing they actually do. Even you can drag it down and just stretch your image to the multiple seconds as well. You want your screen or an image to be reside in the video for like 15 seconds or something, where you are showing something real, you can do that easily. Okay, now you can delete this scene as well, and you can also remove that scene. Okay, in this also we have certain amount of transitions as well. You can say cutaway, green screen, split screen, and picture in picture. Okay, what is picture in picture? Let's see. You can see the magic. Yeah, lots of editor, what they do actually, they play the video and they want to show something on their main profile as well. In this way you can do that. You want to promote something, you want to add some headlines, you want to add some videos over here also, you can do that. So two videos at the same time, they can play. Okay, so picture in picture, what is this? Cutaway means, yeah, your main screen will be replaced by the screen attachable. Okay, you can set the opacity, you can set the fading, and you can see multiple things over here. Okay, now what I want to do, let's see other things what we can do. Detach audio. Okay, for example, I here draw a line over here, you can see this line. Okay, what I want to do, detach audio. Let's see. Okay, that means you can your audio file is separate now. Okay, this green is actually your audio file. Okay, so this audio file you can change, you can delete as well. For example, I want like this audio file to be removed. So for this particular screen, audio will be not there. Let's see. This will be helpful if you have like unwanted audio in front of in middle of the video, and you have just to finish as a video, you can't click again. You can just delete the particular audio from that particular screen. Let's see. I just have right click on this. Okay, just right click on this, delete. Let's see the magic. You can see no audio here because I have deleted. Looks great, right? This is how it works. I will just control Z, control Z, control Z, control Z, and do it. A best thing to looks how much good it is to split a video. You can you can delete a splitted part, you can delete, you can add a screenshot into the video, you can detach your audio. These are the common basic things that we already had covered. You will be wonder like 70 to 80% editing is all about this only. This is it, like how you are actually performing this kind of. You will have the great screenshots, you will have the great voices you can also add here. Let's see the next thing. If you want to add a new audio to your existing clip, let's see how we can do that. I'm gonna click on audio and video. Okay, 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 these are the files we have. Let's see what we can play with it, and whether we can do that something like. Okay, and there's so many different like audio files we already have in the library. You can add those inside your main la blah. Yeah, what I have done, just I have added the sky file sweep the audio gesture inside the main clip. Let's see how it work. So it will replace my original audio, and it will like work different. It will play the next audio that I have attached. Let's see. You should do one best thing to create a YouTube channel. Start uploading your content. The content can be a learning, can be any kind of lifestyle hacks, health. Did you seen how it works actually? And this is the next level thing. If you want to add different voices, different voices can be handle too much curiosity inside your video, and that level of editing also you can perform depends on your requirement. For suppose you are creating a product demo or advertisement you are building. So that in that kind of video we needed multiple voices, multiple gestures, multiple like memes kind of thing. You can do this way. So you can see these are the multiple screens timeline, right? This is the main screen. The top one is we have attached like any kind of a screenshot or video. The bottom one is actually attaching the audio files. This is how the timeline works, not with the iPhone, iMovie only. So the major editor have this kind of timelines. Okay. Now what other things we can do? Let's come to the titles. Okay. So I am explaining something in the video, and I can say I am explaining the chapter wise and titles wise for the different screen. Okay, so I want to add some kind of little gestures in the title and banner way so that people can see as well what what I'm next playing. Okay, so in the titles you can go and you can add some kind of yeah, you can see title text here. You can modify your text, you can use any kind of library. Okay, let's this. Okay, can you see name description? Okay. I added my name better. Okay, so here you can add some kind of different descriptions and titles and catalogs what you are performing next. And there are lots of gestures, there are lots of example over here that you can utilize better. Okay, I want to change the color of it. Let's see how can I do. This is the color palette. I have selected red. Let's see it work. Okay, let's see how it work. Yeah, it colored the red. You can also do bold and you can unbold it. That's fine. You can select here, right, middle, something. These are the gestures we can do here. You can small and you can size select the bigger sizes as well. These are the size of fonts basically. What great. Okay, so you can also select the font better. So you will see many of the editing tools are just with some amount of parts. You can do the splitting the video, you can add a new clip, you can remove the existing audio clip, you can replace the existing audio clip, you can replace the screen like your main screen to the different image or different video, you can play in the picture in picture mode, and so on. You can do the coloring with the labels and you can remove the backgrounds. Okay, let's see what background. Okay, so these are the backgrounds you can use inside your video as well. Okay, you can see here it is. Oh fine, now this is the background actually added. You can utilize on the top of it, you can utilize in the parallel. Okay, this is the next thing. Whenever your main video is playing, you want to attach a different kind of image in the middle of it. In this way you can do. This is also the image. In place of that you can use this image as well. Let's see. Okay, now you will see how it is performing. Let's see. Okay, fine, great. Okay, you want to attach a different picture in the middle of the second screen, you can do that too easy, right? Health, fine, any kind of thing. So this is all about the editing. There's no rocket science. These are the quick little things. And please ignore the screenshots that I'm using as an example. These are just an example, but you already know like how you can better initiate this and how you can utilize this inside your next video editing. Okay. Coming to the transitions. What transition it is? Let's okay. Transition added in the middle of the video. Can be any kind of lifestyle hacks, health hacks, and finance. Look, see how good it is. You have seen multiple tutorial videos and multiple kind of section videos where we see actually this kind of transitions, and these are so easy to add. There's no rocket science. You just have to use your perfect example for that. Okay, you can see how it is changing. Let's see. So fine. These are too good actually. See, see. So these transitions you can use in any form of your editing a video, right? These are just an example I have shown you. So what we have learned with this video, we have learned how to edit a video, we have learned how to split it, how to add audio, how to remove the audio clip, how to make a different section, and how to make a picture and picture mode, how to edit the labels, how to edit titles and backgrounds, how to edit transitions. These all are the core basic functionalities of the video editing. There's nothing else we have to do, right? You have small gestures, you can manage your anything. You can manage your like opacity and all. These are the audio signals, everything. These are the minus details. You can also play with it. But this video is all about giving you the best possible learning of how we do the video editing part. Okay, so if you like this video and you learn so much from this, please like this video and comment on this video, and please subscribe to the channel, because it keep me motivated to create such kind of tutorial video as for free. Okay, and if you have seen in the different videos, people charge for this kind of videos too much, and they don't teach you straightforwardly what you want to achieve. But this is straightforward, come to the point how to do video editing. And please share some details in the comment if you have tried this, if you want to learn something new, and do you want something good different level of editing as well. I will just shoot it out in front of you. Okay, and I think that's for it today. And yeah, thank you so much.